Hi and welcome back to my channel, and today we're not in my kitchen but in my living room, and we're going to make the first recipe I ever learned to make. I remember exactly, I was 8 years old and I always did what my friend did, who was 2 years older than me, and when she started making this dish I obviously had to make it myself. It's riso alla Greca. It's a very famous dish in Italy. It's basically a rice salad that you eat in summers. The exact translation is Greek rice. I don't think it has anything to do with Greece, and it's basically just rice with different vegetables. There is no certain type of vegetable that you have to add, but usually something seasonal, something fresh, because, well, it's a summer dish. It is incredibly easy to make. When I was 8 years old, I felt very proud because I had to boil the rice. I was in charge of, well, actually my mom helped boiling it, but I was in charge of boiling the sausage and chopping up the vegetables and mixing everything together, and I felt very proud and like a professional chef when I did it the first time. So what we need is boiled rice, usually risotto rice, that you let cool down for a couple of hours, and chopped up vegetables. For today I'm going to use what I have at home. I did not go shopping on purpose for this dish, so I'm literally using what was in my fridge. So for today we have tomatoes, cucumbers, shallots, a yellow paprika, fresh peas, artichokes and tuna. I don't have the sausage because I forgot to buy it. And for the dressing, usually it's very simple, just some olive oil, some salt and pepper and fresh oregano. It varies whether you want to add some vinegar or some lemon juice, that's completely up to you. You can also add some mayo if you'd like to. So yeah, let's get to it. Now it's time for the very difficult deed of putting all the ingredients together. Usually I start with the salt. I don't put too much because I can always add it later. It's removing it that is the difficult part. Then I add some oil. Peas and shallots. Stir some more. Peppers, tomatoes. Next the cucumbers. Someone tried to escape. And tuna. And I always put the artichokes last, together with olives, which I don't have. I don't know why, but it just feels right. So now I put on some oregano. I don't have fresh one, so dried one, I have to do it. Some freshly ground pepper. Mix it. And that is the finished dish. And here's our finished Riso alla Greca, a colorful, healthy summer dish from Italy, and it's time to taste it. Fun fact, I actually used the rice that I brought from home. So it's Italian rice on an Italian dish. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will also try to make your own version. I'd really appreciate it if you told me how it went. And see you again next week. Have a nice day. Bye!